Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to draft a Peter Pan collar. First, you need to trace the bodice block, this one right here. I want to trace till here to show you, so I don't need to trace the whole thing. But yeah, trace it up to there. Then this dart, the bust dart, move it to the side or to the waist, wherever you want, so that it can get out of this point. So just draw a line here, and then I'm going to close this, and it's going to open this, as you will see. So we've done that. Now remove this data from the back, so move it to the the armhole. It is 1 centimeter, so you go in 1 centimeter, then go down like that. Then you can cancel this, we don't need it. Now let's cut out the, what is it called, the whole garment. But wait, before we continue, decide the width of your, what is it called, the neckline. Okay, I feel like sleeping, I don't know why. So if you want it to be close to your neck, you can leave it there or just go out a bit. So 1/2 inch and down 1/2 inch. Do the same for the, the back. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. You can go more if you want. Depends on the style that you want. Where's my curve? Is it far away? It's not nearby, so we'll just go freehand, like a boss says. Now, what you need to do is, so this is the front, this is the back. You want to join both at the shoulder right here. Okay. Then you want to start drawing your Peter Pan collar, because it's going to take the neckline shape. Draw it. Let me get my curve. Why does it have to be so far all the time? It's made of paper. I traced out a real one because the plastic ones keep breaking all the time. Oh yeah, but they're metal ones too. Okay, remove that first. So the front, I want it to have this kind of shape because it's a Peter Pan collar. That's how it looks like. So from the center front, decide how big or small you want it. I think mine can come, let's just do that, like this. Okay, that part. Yeah. Is that too small? Decide the width. How wide do you want it to be? I don't want it to be 3 inches. 3 inches seems fine. So I'll go, mine will be 3 inches, but then it becomes smaller as it gets to the center front. So another thing, you can continue with this curve all the way to the back like that. However, you can overlap the shoulder seam from this point by 2 centimeters. Let me see, maybe so that it doesn't gape at the shoulder. It's not too big. I think the back can be straight if you want it to be, but it will be. So that means you can just start here and go like that, but I'll make it curved, just like the front. I think that looks better according to me. So yeah, that's how it is, front and the back. Now what you want to do is place this on a paper and then trace out the collar on its own. So that's that. Now let's trace it. You can always confirm the necklines to see if they're the same. That's your Peter Pan collar. So when you're cutting, like cut 4 pieces for the facing. So for this side and for this side, and then 2 more for the facing, for the finishing. So that's how you make a Peter Pan collar. If you would like to see more pattern making, sewing videos, although I've not made a sewing video in a long time, but I make those too. So subscribe. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.